This is me, Sam, Chris, and of course Dan. And this is air raid siren. Okay. Call that an air raid siren? My go.
Can't get it very loud.
You want to bet? Okay, this is Sam, and when we watch this later on, compare who's best. Go, go. How loud did that go? Very. Fucking nearly deaf. There's the plane there.
Right. Okay.
Oh, that's you and you again.
Air raid, air raid. Oh,
time to go.
Why?
Torches, time to go.
Where?
Seriously, I saw some torches come in.
I couldn't see anything.
Well, I did. Time to go.
Say we don't, give ourselves away, Chris.
I thought.
Turn it off. Right, I ain't forgot nothing, have we?
No.
Right, Sam won the contest there.
I'm gonna beat you again. What, we're doing it again?
No, just
All clear.
good quiet now.
How loud did that go? Right, just get the fuck out of here.
Right, leave it, Chris. Yes, run a hill. Hi, this is Dan and this is testing how loud we can hear the siren. Go!